Hi, my name is Spencer, and today I'll be reacting to She-Hulk, Season 1, Episode 3. I've been really enjoying this show so far. Last time we got... well, Jen has decided to represent Abomination. However, there was leaked footage of him in the underground fight ring from Shang-Chi, so that'll throw a wrench in it. I'm guessing we will see Wong in this episode. I mean, that would only make sense, and he was in the trailers, so... And then, yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll probably also see Blonsky's 7 soulmates that he has... he's pen pals with. I'm curious to see how this trial will... are we going to see the whole trial? I know the episode is The People versus Emil Blonsky or something like that. But, so, I guess that sort of implies that we're going to see the trial. And I'm curious how that's going to work out. I mean, I'm rooting for Jen to do a good job, you know? So, we'll see. This show has done a really good job with the humor, with the delivery of the comedy in this show so far. I really enjoyed the fourth wall breaks, and I look forward to seeing what we get in this episode for that. But, besides that... I don't know. I don't have any expectations. I don't expect to see Daredevil until later in the season, which is okay. And I'm just happy to be here. I'm happy to be watching this. So don't forget to like this video if you like it. And if you have anything to say about this episode or the previous episodes, please put it in the comments. Your interaction means a lot, and I really like hearing what you have to say about these episodes. Also, if you're watching this and you're not currently subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would consider it. I'm almost at 200 subscribers, which doesn't seem like a big deal, but it is. So I'm excited to get there, hopefully soon, but it depends on you guys. So, yeah, I appreciate all of you who have already subscribed, and I appreciate those of you who are just here to watch. If you are not interested in subscribing, I understand. But it would surely help. Anyways, I don't really have anything else to say before starting the episode, so I think I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, back at DODC prison. Well, she's a lot more confident.
You failed to mention that you not only escaped from prison, but you were also recorded doing so?
It's not like he knew he was being recorded.
Because I was forced to leave my cell, but I returned of my own free will.
Who forced you to escape this insanely high security prison?
A sorcerer supreme of the mystic arts, and his name is...
Wong. Just Wong.
That's so funny.
A sorcerer who lives in New York, or...
Is that his LinkedIn type of thing? That's so funny.
Of course I can get to him. I sent a thirst trap. It was a picture of me with a bunch of books.
What?
He calls back. You know, if Blonsky's...
Or is it a dating profile?
I just want to make sure that you don't think this is one of those cameo every week type of shows. That's not. Well, except Bruce.
Yeah.
And Blonsky.
Yeah.
And Wong.
Mm-hmm.
Just remember whose show this actually is.
I liked the detail of her, like, not even touching the wheel as she's breaking the fourth wall.
They took the Hulk's manhood away, but then they gave it to a woman?
So we have a Me Too movement, and now all the male heroes.
I have no problem with female.
Yeah.
Pick your own. I don't know about y'all, but I'd smash.
That's hilarious.
Have you seen this insanity?
Oh, she's wearing a big suit this time. Oh, this guy. Why is he here?
Can't talk to a 10 about embarrassing man stuff. She could be my next fiance.
What an idiot.
Girlfriend in question is a shape-shifting light elf from New Asgard.
Okay. Well, to be fair,
Of
I thought
course.
I was dating Megan the Stallion.
What? Sorry, you thought you were dating Megan the Stallion?
What? That's so funny. Yeah, there's no way Megan Thee Stallion would go for him.
Pug. Good luck. Dennis?
That's so funny, though.
Not erasing everyone's memories, not again.
Not again.
Shadow dimension.
What you can...
What?
Very well. We'll reserve sorcery for strategy B.
Don't tap your nose.
How about 50,000? 100? 200?
100,000. I am not a fool. No, it's more like 175.
$175,000. The whole house and parts of the country, Mr. Bukowski.
Yeah, right. So, are you...
He's so dumb. I really don't like Mr. Bukowski. That's so funny.
I think somewhere deep inside, I knew.
Oh, is this the shapeshifter? This has got to be the shapeshifter now. Yep, it's not him.
I love harassing women in the workplace. It's my kick, baby. Not cool.
Let that be a warning.
I don't.
I don't.
You guys know me.
We're coming to you live.
I love Bug.
Rumored to have been rejected by the Avengers.
People come up with the dumbest rumors.
Are those your soulmates?
Yep, there's the soulmates. What?
Do you feel you have been rehabilitated? He plans to open a meditation retreat on the property.
Ah, that's what we probably saw in the trailer with the support group looking thing.
We met through the prison pen pal program. They are my better aides.
Better eights.
Any other questions?
Blonsky started...
Come on, Wong. Where the heck is he?
He saved you from a bad marriage.
That's it, Carl. Let it flow.
Now the library is more than just a quiet place to shift someone.
Instead, prisoners make toilet kombucha.
My apologies, Miss Walters. Emil.
Finally!
I lost track of time.
I've asked Wong here today because he is the man responsible for Emil Blonsky leaving prison. And I do think you will see this whole thing in a totally different light after hearing from him.
Runa is the daughter of an elfin diplomat on Asgard and now in New Asgard.
Did you know about this?
As such, she has diplomatic immunity.
She may have diplomatic immunity.
That's so dumb.
Asgard is not a place, it is a people. Therefore, I have...
Thor's inspirational speeches are not admissible in court.
What?
My client and Mr. Bukowski were in a consensual relationship and engaged in role play.
Oh, gross.
No rational adult would...
Oh, gross.
I find it hard to believe that Mr. Bukowski could be fooled so easily.
He is a dummy. So,
Your motion to dismiss is denied.
okay. Interesting.
And when this is over, I'm canceling my Hollywood hookup subscription. There's clearly no vetting process.
That's so funny.
Impersonating a judge is illegal. Get down from there.
This is very good for us.
This chick is so annoying.
If I could just put your minds at ease.
Oh, no, absolutely not.
Hang on a sec.
No. What?
Well, here comes Abomination. I love that motion that he did. Just
Everybody just relax, please.
oh, and they're all swooning. The Crocs. I mean, he is in control.
And as for Mr. Wong, just Wong. The Sorcerer Supreme, Master of the Mystic Arts, your former librarian of Kamatage.
Yeah. You realize that you've just admitted to facilitating a prisoner escape, which is a crime.
I must depart.
Alright, peace out. I love Wong. He's just like, You just committed a crime. Well, I'm out.
Is there any truth to the rumors you got your powers from a mafia hit gone wrong? What? That was Jennifer Walters rushing by, undoubtedly hoping to avoid the protesters that are gathered just outside the gates here.
Is the mafia hit gone wrong supposed to be a reference to her the actual way she gets it in the comics?
I can go back to being a normal, anonymous lawyer who also happens.
It's impossible.
Oh my God, you're pregnant with the Abomination's baby, and you're flaunting a little baby.
What the heck? That's so funny.
No, you're gonna need that.
Connecting the A and B story? Nice.
I love that. That fourth wall break was great.
Please, Jen is gonna help us clinch this. Trust me.
Oh boy.
He is an almost pathologically entitled man. He would absolutely believe that he's dating the real Megan Thee Stallion because he is truly that delusional.
No further questions, Your Honor.
I love that she can be brutally honest on stand.
The defendant to 60 days for impersonating a judge.
No, nine. That's right. There's only one Megan Thee Stallion.
No way. I love that. That's amazing.
I wish there was a way we could remove her powers and make sure she doesn't victimize anyone else.
Oh, did Dennis Bukowski just give me an idea? That will stay between us.
Like, how would you manage that, though, for Abomination? Like, Bruce said he couldn't make a new inhibitor easily.
At Mr. Blonsky's release on parole, effective immediately.
Nice.
Well, you might want to reconsider that. I mean, they're going to write a story about you one way or the other. Better to be part of it, really.
True. Oh, is she going to be interviewed this time?
Now a free man. Here with us in the studio, the lawyer.
Nice.
When we come back, She-Hulk shares her diet and exercise secrets.
Sorry,
what?
Yeah. Not that that even matters. Okay, what's going to happen next? Oh.
Oh, wait. Get off me.
Nice. What are with these weapons?
When did I ever strut around and show off my powers?
Yeah, she only activated them because of you guys.
Did you guys rob an Asgardian construction worker?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this.
Yeah. What? Oof. These guys are so dumb. Ouch. Surprised they're still alive.
Once you turned into She-Hulk, I couldn't pierce that nasty green skin.
Oh, they're trying to get her blood. Who's the boss? What? Nice. The soulmates. The selfie that she took for Wong. Him on a date with Megan Thee Stallion.
Hi, there's my new favorite client. Just
Oh, it's Megan Thee Stallion.
and then just initial. Good. And initials up here.
What?
You are way more fun than my last lawyer.
I will kill for you, Megan Thee Stallion.
Dial it back.
That's amazing. Oh my gosh. That's so funny. Oh, I'm so dead. Okay. Whew, good episode. I liked this a lot. I'm glad we got to see Wong. I liked all the jokes that they made with, I don't know, it was just a funny episode, you know. Megan Thee Stallion is fantastic. Loved Loved that. I'm glad we got Abomination out. Well, really Emil Blonsky, because he's not allowed to be Abomination anymore. Which won't necessarily prevent him, but we will see. And I'm curious about this inhibitor that is part of his parole conditions. Like, obviously they don't have any of those handy. So are they just going to have to wait until Hulk can show up and do that for him? I don't know. I'm very confused about that, but I mean, we'll definitely see Emil again, because there was a scene in the trailer where it looks like a support group. They mentioned what that was going to be. He mentioned it, but I don't remember how he stated it, what it was. But yeah, I look forward to seeing that. Bukowski is an idiot, but it was a very entertaining plot there, and I thought it was hilarious when they were like sitting at the bar, Jen, her best friend, and Pug, and she like turns like into the frame. She's like, "Oh, this is connecting A plot and B plot." I thought that was a perfect fourth wall break right there. And then yeah, I'm curious what Wong was doing, like that distracted him during the so he wasn't on time for the parole board thing. What was he doing? Maybe we'll find out. But sorry guys, I was just editing this video and I was just thinking, like, what if Wong was like on a date with her best friend or whatever? I don't remember her name, but what if that's what he was doing and that's why he was late? That would be so funny, but probably not. But we'll see. Anyways, back to the video. I'm sure we'll see him again because there's other scenes of him in the trailer that we haven't seen yet. So, I mean, I'm looking forward to seeing more Wong. I don't know. I thought he seemed a little silly, like the way, I don't know, like I thought it was kind of silly that like the Sorcerer Supreme is like, we'll do this like with magic. We'll make this work because with magic. And like it seemed like a very irresponsible thing, and then like she had to tell him like, no, we're going to do this by the book or whatever, and he, I don't know, like it just seemed silly that he was just so casual about it. You would think he would take it a little more seriously. I mean, to be fair, he's probably not from the United States, but I wouldn't know. Like he's got an accent, but I can't place what kind of accent it is. I know the actor has like an English accent, but like, is he supposed to be American? I don't think so, but I don't know. I don't want to make assumptions, but I don't know. It seemed like he wasn't taking the law seriously, which tied into the whole like them being like, you admitted to committing a crime, and then he's like, peace out. That was really funny, but also I don't know. Maybe I don't need to complain about this, but it was just weird that he was just so casual about the law and not going through the correct channels. Like even Doctor Strange in No Way Home was like, "Oh, did you go to the admissions people and explain the situation to them to like try and get this fixed?" And Peter was like, no. Like, what is Doctor Strange? I mean, Doctor Strange is a smart guy. Like he is a smart guy, but like you would think that Wong would be smart too, at least with common sense type stuff. I don't know, maybe I'm overthinking it and I don't need to worry about it, but anyways, I enjoyed Wong regardless of my issues with his attitude. I'm curious about those guys at the end, the ones that attacked her and tried to take her blood. I mean, she should be able to put two and two together with the needle, like being stabbed into her arm or into her shoulder. She should be able to be like, oh, they were after my blood, which is a problem because my blood could do things. So, yeah, I hope she can put that two and two together with that. and that she can be like, you know what, I'm gonna stay as She-Hulk from now on. Which, I mean, she does in the comics. Like, she rarely ever goes into Jen form. So unless one of these guys can seduce her, and then she wakes up, or she falls asleep and becomes her Jen form at that point, like, that would be a way for them to get the blood, like, just to get it while she's sleeping, you know? But I don't know. I'm curious who their boss is. Like, I am not that familiar with She-Hulk villains. I seriously doubt it could be Kingpin. I mean, I would love to see Vincent D'Onofrio, but I feel like that's a stretch for this. But we are getting Daredevil, so maybe not? Who knows, man? Maybe. I mean, that would be cool, but we'll see. We'll see. And then I know we will be getting more Titania in the future, before the end of the season. So I'm curious how she's going to come into play. I know she, at least in the comics, is like a rival to She-Hulk, and that they have like similar strengths, and they're like rivals. And there have been promotions where, with Titania having her own like Twitter, and her like spray painting She-Hulk signs in public. I saw something like that on TikTok. So I'm curious how she's going to come back into play. Like, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I really enjoyed the Megan Thee Stallion cameo. Also, I don't know if I'm saying Megan Thee Stallion right. Should I say the or the Megan Thee Stallion? I don't know. It's spelled like the, so I'm saying the. But you can roast me in the comments if you'd like for that. I don't care. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what happens in the future. I'm looking forward to the rest of the season, seeing how this all plays out, and yeah. But let me know what you guys thought about this episode in the comments. What did you think of all the shenanigans that happened, and what is your theory about the boss of these people? Like, what are your theories? I'm curious. And yeah, I don't believe I have anything else to say about this episode. If I do, I will try to bring it up at the beginning of the next video for She-Hulk. But for this video, I am pretty much done. So thank you for watching. Thanks for being here. And hopefully I will see you guys next time.